Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 10. Day 10. Welcome to day 10 of the North Cape trip. I just quickly needed to count the days, it's been a ride, and it's been very frustrating at times. Because like when I check the material, sometimes the sound doesn't work, and then the camera stops recording, so very frustrating on that part. Also very frustrating on the other, that's called the weather, very frustrating in terms of weather. So yeah, not the best best weather, so far all our plans gone to the bin, not really nice. But hopefully today it's already 60 degrees, it's 10 a.m. in the morning, and we are going to a camping spot. It's like about 295 kilometers away, next to a lake or river, something like, I think, a river with some lakes attached. So we see how it is. The forecast actually is rain, so if it's going to rain, then we're not going to camp. And we did a quick overview of the cost already, just for the hotels, not like fuel and so on, and we approximately spend 900 euros for hotels. This is quite hefty, that was not calculated. But at the end, as I always say, at the end it's just money, and you need to take care of your health, and that's very important. My father is not feeling super good. He's having a rough time as well. So we are doing smaller stints going down. Maybe I will sell it as smaller stints, but there will stay still some mileage or some kilometers to be done. But yeah, we're looking for better weather, like 20 degrees or something, to actually camp, because that's what we wanted both to do. So it's not ideal. So yeah, more riders out. We saw some at the hotel as well, so some followed our suit and checked in because of rain and so on. It's just so unpredictable here. Like, weather in general is just unpredictable. So, and nothing to be super upset about. Cost-wise, as I said, it's just money, and we need to. It's more important to be healthy, to stay good and dry and everything. So that's the main concern for me. But anyway, we are going a different road today, so it's something new. We just left Alta. It's a Northern Lights city, so in September to May, there's a very high chance to see Northern Lights in the city. Very good, very gorgeous, as I said. But since we have July, when I record this video, there's no Northern Lights because the sun never sets. So yes, this is it. But E45 today. So we are crossing from Norway to Finland. We're going a bit through Finland because of the weird border shape look in the north, and then we're leaving Finland to go to Sweden. Then shortly after the border, there's some small towns and hiking trails, and there should be a good wild camping spot, according to the app I have. So yeah, we'll see about that. So hopefully this time my recording works, and the microphone as well. It's been very frustrating when I watched the videos yesterday and nothing basically worked. So yeah, somehow, like 3 years ago I used this road here, so when I came back, So yeah, I'm familiar with what is going on here from 3 years ago. So yeah, I will fill you in once we are like once there's more interesting to see. It's all nice, you know, but it has been the same again. So it's like forests, mountains, lakes, rivers, and so on. So yeah, nothing too exciting. If I see more reindeers, maybe a moose, then of course I will update. Maybe not reindeers because we've seen enough now, but maybe some moose. Anyway, that's it for this day 10. We're at the camp spot. Weather is super nice, but there are millions of mosquitoes. It is so bad. It is so bad. Here's the hiking trail, so people can actually hike here from one side to the another. But it looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks fantastic. It's actually a super nice camping spot. So there are millions of mosquitoes, so we could camp further up and come here just down for fishing and barbecue or whatever, or we look for a different spot. I just dropped my bike again. I was trying to get up the hill. I stalled the bike, and because there was no forward movement on a hill, then it fell to the side. Picked it up and all good. So yeah, but this is a great spot besides the mosquitoes. It looks absolutely stunning. It's a super cool camping spot, but you have nothing to eat because there is no supermarket. So yeah, I will discuss with my father what we're gonna do, and then we will see. Talk to you in the next update. Short update. As you can see, we are on the road, so there were just too many mosquitoes. Yes, I know, a lot of me, you know, yes, whatever. You want to be comfortable, you want to be outside and don't get eaten alive. So we have no repellent. We could buy some, yes, but I don't think it will help. So we decided to book another hotel and then take it from there. The hotel is like on the better side, has a swimming pool and stuff like this, so we at least jump into water while on this trip. It's been a journey. It's another 90 kilometers. So yeah, I don't know, I've heard a weird noise. So it's another 90 kilometers until Gällivare or something like this. I've been there before, I stayed there before. I don't think I stayed in the same hotel, maybe. I arrived there super late when I was there, and they had no rooms left, and then the receptionist called another hotel, they had also no rooms. But then I think I looked so miserable and tired because it was 900 kilometers or something I did. They booked me into the spa area, so like I don't know, there were massage tables and whatnot. It was like my own room just for me. It was not an official guest room, and I didn't pay the full price, but it was a good experience nevertheless. However, with one however, big asterisk on next to it, there was motion sensors. So whenever I turned around, I triggered the light in my room, and the whole room was fully lit. So this was of course really bad. When I went to bed, I was so tired, I slept like a stone. But then after 3 hours, like the whole trip was like, after 3 hours I was completely refreshed. Yeah, I turned around, and then the light went on, and then I tried to turn, when I need to go to the television to turn it off, and then you went back to bed. It lasted for like a minute, and then I turned again, and then, you know, the lights went on again. So that was like a big downside of this room, but I appreciate the gesture anyway. So yeah, so we are going to Gällivare, and hopefully it's gonna be a good end of the day. I smell like a dead ferret or something, I don't know. I will probably change what I wear underneath my jacket, but yeah, or maybe wash it again. I washed it already, but maybe I should buy something different. I just have like from Under Armour some long sleeves for summer to absorb sweat and so on, but it doesn't work. I smell like a dead ferret. Yeah, this road E45, very unspectacular so far. I can't remember being that boring, but maybe that's why I did so many kilometers, because it's just so boring. The road is really new, or very new, so yeah, it's going 100 kilometers an hour there, so yeah. You can see some wear on my helmet already, on the motorcycle, especially the rear tire looks very square. I need to double check what is going on there, because they were fairly new. Now of course they have like 9,000-10,000 kilometers, but of course it's to be expected that they are square out if you have like luggage and a pillion on the heavier side with you. So yeah, but it looks definitely super shady. So we'll double check in the city what it is and how it looks. But we need to continue on anyway. But then it's a question: do I get new ones for this season already, or do I wait until the next one? We'll see. Lots of questions needs to be answered and asked, as always. But you know, nothing too spectacular. As you can see, road in the middle, forest on the left, forest on the right. Sometimes they have a river, sometimes they have a lake, sometimes there are some small hills. So far no animals. As I said, nothing spectacular. Day 10 I think it is. The only spectacular thing is when we did the break and we saw the waterfalls. So yeah, and we're already traveling for like 5 hours. I just got a notification, so it's another hour, then we're 6 hours on the road. So it's a lot, especially for my father. So yeah, weather stayed nice. It's 80.5 degrees. My father already mentioned that he doesn't have high hopes for tomorrow regarding the mosquito situation. but we will then probably buy some repellent and see if it helps or not, because you know, now we are definitely above 1,000 euros invested in hotels, so it's like a full-blown vacation. But in the end, you know, if you book a hotel, like I don't know, if you go to a different country, book a hotel, have the flight and so on, and food, it costs you the same. Yeah, maybe you have like sometimes a better experience, but here you're on the bike. Yes, you book a hotel, but still it's a very nice, great experience, at least for him, so he's enjoying it. But you know, we're here for fishing and camping, so that's a bit of a downer. Anyway, I think I will end day 10 here, because nothing spectacular will happen. If there's anything spectacular, I will show it, but I don't think so. So let's end day 10 here and look forward to day 11 tomorrow.